Hey everyone! In this guide, we're taking a look at soundcore work. And honestly, this might be one of the smartest everyday gadgets you didn't even realize you needed. So first, open your browser, head over to soundcore.com and search for soundcore work. Once the product page loads, you'll see a headset that's built for people who work, create, or study in busy or flexible environments and want something that quietly makes the entire workflow easier. Soundcore work is part productivity tool and part communication device. It's designed with adaptive noise control, meaning it adjusts based on what's happening around you. You can switch between focus mode, transparency, or a balanced mode with one simple tap. If you're moving between calls, deep work sessions, or casual listening, the headset learns your pattern and responds smoothly. One of the biggest highlights is its AI microphone system. It filters out things like keyboard clicks, background chatter, traffic noise, and HVAC hums. Even in busy spaces, your voice stays clean and clear, which is honestly a huge upgrade if you take a lot of calls or meetings throughout the day. Another feature that makes it feel smart is multi-device switching. You can pair it with your laptop and phone at the same time, and whenever a call pops up, it switches instantly without you needing to click anything. It just follows your workflow naturally. Inside the Soundcore app, you get full customization, EQ presets, personalized sound profiles, noise mode settings, button controls, and even productivity tools like focus timers. It's designed so you can shape the headset around your own routine. On top of that, the battery lasts all day, charges quickly, and the headset is lightweight enough to wear for long work sessions without discomfort. And that's why Soundcore work ends up being one of those gadgets that feels small but makes a huge difference. It blends into your routine, improves clarity, reduces distractions, and simplifies multitasking. Once you start using it, it's kind of hard to imagine working without it. Thanks for watching.